In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a blurry iPhone camera. So if you're trying to take either a picture or a video and the camera on your iPhone is blurry, then there's actually a couple of things we can do to solve this issue. Now, the first step is just to come round to the back of your camera, and you need to ensure that all of the lenses on the back here are completely clean and free from any dirt or debris. So you can simply grab a cloth and try cleaning all of the lenses. Just make sure nothing is stuck to any of these. And another thing you can try doing is if you have a case on your iPhone, you can actually try removing the iPhone case. Some newer cases can contain glass or metal that actually go over the camera lenses, and this can obstruct or cause some sort of blurring on the camera itself. Now, once you've tried these two things, if it's still not working, we're just going to come over to the camera app on your iPhone, and we're going to try force closing it and then restarting the application. So you can do this just by scrolling up on your iPhone like this, and then you can just scroll up on the camera application, and that's going to force close it, and then we can just come back over to the camera to reopen it, and once again you can check to see if that's now solved your issue. Another thing you want to try doing is make sure you're focusing on the subjects that you're trying to keep in focus. So you can do this just by tapping your finger on the screen, and that's going to focus the camera on that particular subject. Now, if you've tried that and it's still not working, then what you'll need to do is bring up the settings window on your iPhone, scroll down and click on General, and then select Software Update. Now, if you have any pending iOS updates, then go and install these now. Sometimes these can include important performance updates, including updates for the camera app. So just make sure your iPhone is fully up to date. Now, if you've tried all of this and it's still not working, come back over to the settings page and click on General. Scroll right down to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and then click on Reset All Settings. And this is kind of a last resort option, but that's going to go and reset all of your iPhone settings, including all of your camera settings. And that's another way you can fix this blurry issue. And it's as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if this did work for you, and I'll see you with the next one.